Pari's Messy Masterpiece, a children's book authored by Delairi. Pari was a little Afghan girl who loved to paint. Since she was inexperienced, her room was often messy, and floor around her was covered in splashes of color. Still, she believed that every mess hid a masterpiece. Pari had all her paint supplies ready, but she could not think of what to paint. The colors seemed dull, and her imagination was asleep. She had lost her artistic motivation. Pari remembered how much she loves nature. She decided to paint a big, beautiful tree with colorful leaves that danced like butterflies in the wind. Pari was happy and singing. Her brother, Ahmed, heard her voice in the corridor. Just then he knocked and then walked into the room to show her his painting.
Ahmad was very excited. He ran towards Pari but didn't see the mess on the floor. Ahmad's foot got caught in some art supplies. Ahmad tripped and fell with a thud. Pari jumped to help him. Pari rushed to help Ahmad up. Ahmad was crying because he was hurt, and his painting was ruined. Pari felt bad and realized her messy room wasn't helping anyone, not even her art. Right then, their grandmother entered the room, holding a colorful wooden box. She explained to Pari and Ahmad that she has a solution for their problem. The grandmother explained to Pari how to organize her art supplies. The grandmother said, "If you put every brush and paint in its place, later you can easily find them." Together, Pari and Ahmad organized the room and cleaned the floor. Everything was in its place. The room was like a brand new art studio. Pari was very proud of her work. This is the first time that her room looked so organized and clean. The next day, when the sunlight filled the room, Pari woke up with excitement. She felt fresh and full of ideas, and her imagination was awake again. The first thing she wanted to do was to start a new painting. Pari remembered the beautiful gift from her loving grandmother, and suddenly, she had a great idea. Pari asked her grandmother to go with her and Ahmad to the park. Pari, Ahmad, and their grandmother took the easel and the new box of art supplies and walked towards the park. Pari and her grandmother sat under a shady tree. Pari decided to paint her grandmother and her kind face. Ahmad played in the park. Her hands moved smoothly this time, and the painting turned out beautiful. The painting was a gift, full of warmth and love, for her grandmother, who praised her and was happy. Pari smiled, proud that from her messy studio, a masterpiece was born. The end.